In this video, how to enable X.M.P on Gigabyte Motherboards BIOS. In Windows, you can check the memory frequency from the Task Manager. I have RAM with a rated speed of 2666 MHz. However, in the Task Manager, you can see it's running at only 2133 MHz. To get the highest frequency supported by the RAM, I need to enable X.M.P. Let's restart the computer. Press the Delete key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup page. Enabling X.M.P on Gigabyte BIOS is quite simple. In the BIOS Easy mode, click on this button to enable X.M.P. If you're using an AMD motherboard, you will see Expo instead of X.M.P for Intel. Alternatively, X.M.P can be enabled in the Advanced mode of the BIOS setup page. In the Tweaker tab, you'll see the Extreme Memory Profile option. Enable this option to activate X.M.P. The option on an AMD motherboard. To view more details, click on Advanced Memory Settings. SPD Info. If your RAM supports X.M.P, you'll also see the available X.M.P profiles. Save the changes and restart to the BIOS again. As you can see, the memory is now running at the highest supported speed. Back in Windows, from the Task Manager, the RAM should now be running at the higher speed. In some cases, the X.M.P is not available and you cannot enable X.M.P. The root cause of this issue is that the memory does not support X.M.P. To confirm, go to the Advanced mode for more details. As you can see, there are no X.M.P profiles available for this RAM. In Windows, you can check if your RAM supports X.M.P by using the CPU-Z. Let's download the latest portable version of the app, then run it on your computer. Go to the SPD tab. Under the Timings table, you can see if your RAM supports for X.M.P. In some cases, after enabling the X.M.P, you cannot access the Windows or BIOS setup page. In this case, you need to reset the BIOS by clearing CMOS. Open your PC case and find the CMOS battery holder on the motherboard. Remove the battery by pulling out the tabs on the side of the CMOS battery. Wait for a few minutes, then put the CMOS battery back in. In some motherboards, the BIOS battery is wired. To reset the BIOS, remove the CMOS battery 2-pin cable from the motherboard. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then connect the CMOS battery 2-pin cable back. Plug in the power cord and power on the PC. After the PC is turned on, there will be a prompt that the BIOS settings have been reset. Follow the prompts and to enter the BIOS setup. As you can see, by default, the X.M.P is disabled. You can load the default's optimized settings, then boot into your Windows normally. In case you still need to enable X.M.P but encounter issues, you'll need to take some extra steps. First, enable X.M.P as usual. Next, go to the advanced mode in your BIOS. Now, manually adjust the memory frequency to a value lower than the maximum supported by your RAM. For example, if your RAM supports a maximum speed of 2666 MHz, change it to a lower value. I will set it to 2400 MHz as an example. Unfortunately, there's no exact value that works universally. It depends on your specific RAM and motherboard compatibility. You'll need to try different values one by one to find the highest value at which your computer can boot normally after enabling X.M.P. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.